Hello friends, we are celebrating Earth Hour for the first time in our college, and it is of our great experience, and we are just excited seeing everywhere
Everyone
darkness.
is cooperating so much, and it is a very good feeling factor.
Actually, it's a great initiative taken by our college, and I'm proud to be a part of it because energy is very important for our life. Without energy, there is no life, and conservation of energy is important for us. Uh, no light hour. We are just celebrating no light hour to show the people that how important the energy is.
And definitely, we are also a part of this.
No light
Yes.
In this no light hour, we also saw that many where lights are just blowing uselessly, and we can save it.
We should unplug the chargers or any other devices when they are not in use so that energy may be conserved.
Right.
And this energy may be used at a different
Different places.
where light is not available, or the problem of shortage of electricity is there.
Okay.
This is Indus Hostel of NIT Srinagar, and we are celebrating here the dark hour. You can see that in dark hour there is no light. There is no light flashing there. We are completely without light in darkness, and we are showing to other peoples that how we can save energy. If you can save energy only for 1 hour in a day, it is a huge contribution that you can save a lot for the other peoples. There are many people who didn't get even for working purposes. There are many farmers. There are many farmers and all that who even can't get energy for cultivation purposes also. So you can see that we are contributing in that, and we are celebrating here that our darkness hour. You can say it is a huge hostel, and we are saving a lot by only for 1 hour. So it is our request to all others that please save energy. And contribute to your country, contribute to your economy, and also for the other rest of the people who really need that energy. In many places, even in the hospitals also, we didn't get the energy which we want. But you can see that there are also wastage of energy that people are doing, using the accessories which is even not necessary for their work. So that is our request, genuine request to all the people that please save energy. We are doing our bit. Are you doing? Ask yourself that are you doing better for other, to make other life better? That's all. Come.
कैमरा के सामने आके ये तो बता दे कि ये इंडस हॉस्टल का कॉरिडोर है आगे इसे
You can see that it is a big corridor of Indus Hostel, the first floor. It is a 3-floor hostel, and we are here for saving energy. You can see that we are in completely darkness. You can see it is a huge corridor. You can see all the lights have been switched off for contributing, for giving message to the rest of the India that please save energy. It is needed for everyone. If you want to give your future generation something, then at least you can save energy.
Video. Okay, right. That's it.
बंद कर दूं?
हाँ. ये दिखाएंगे वहाँ से, जनता ही नहीं है, जनता ही नहीं है वहाँ से।
फ्रंट से ले ले कि हाँ भैया ये लगा है घुमा के देखिए
उसके बाद चुनाव से होते हुए निकल जाएंगे। हटसा बक्सा कुछ नहीं।
क्या कर रहे हो? क्या तुम्हारा कर रहे हो? यो
क्या कर रहा है यार? अरे वो ग्रीन कलर हो रहा टेंशन
मत बताएंगे डरा भी पहले
तो भी फट के आंसू आ रही है।
हमें चाटी
को भेज रहे हैं आज। ये देखो आपका सिचुएशन
लाइटिंग नहीं रहती है।
अर्शदीप
How are you feeling? Question put up करो ऐसे.
How are you feeling about the light hour?
Actually, we have thought that for the conservation of energy, we should have at least 1 hour for without any light. So we have talked to the authorities and they have consulted, and in this manner we have just. It is just an conservation of energy. Many of us are thinking that for 1 hour, how can we save energy? But for 1 hour, do you think that how much energy we are consuming? Just we can have a thought of it that we have conserved so much energy. And in this,
Isn't there any alternative source of this light than AC?
स्ट्रीट लाइट सीखनी चाहिए। अरे वैसे हो जाएगा ना, अगर यहाँ हो रहा है तो वहाँ भी हो जाएगा। सही बात।
Clap for him, he got a good point. Anybody else who wants to come in front? आप क्या शर्मा रहे हो? 3 बंदे आओ यार आओ और आओ यार। अच्छा चल सही है। Good. Yes.
I think to save energy is to save the everything that the electricity is the main of our most important resources that we have got on the on our earth. So for the rural areas where electricity is not properly available, therefore we can conserve electricity so that they can get something profit from us. A little bit contribution to the society makes a big contribution.
Point.
Well said. Actually, no light are, we also have to focus that we usually use bulbs. These are consuming more energy. So we should use CFLs instead of using bulbs. And we should use energy efficient devices. For example, refrigerators are coming with 5 stars neon free. So this will be helpful in saving energy and reducing wastage of energy.
Sir, good enough. Sir, in rural areas, sir, there is a lot of biomass, sir. We should use it in producing electricity. It would reduce the...
Good point. Good point.
Very well said.
Okay, that's all.
By celebrating 1 hour darkness, we are just giving